In next 5 minutes, I will show you a complete process of growing Aparajita or butterfly pea from seed. Here you will learn how to collect butterfly pea seed and how to germinate butterfly pea seed with day-to-day update. And this is the fastest and easiest way to grow blue pea seed. So let's see 10-day process with day-to-day update. For collecting seed, just break out the seed pod. If you want to store them, then store it in a jar. On other hand, I want to plant them directly. For this reason, I want to wet them or moist them in water. For quality germination, you have to wet them for at least 8 to 10 hours. So let's add a little bit of water. After moisturizing seed for 10 hours, the next step is to plant them. You can plant them in direct soil or you can also germinate seed by paper towel method. In this video, I am going to use those two methods in side by side. For germinating seed, at first I want to set up those seeds in a paper towel. Just release the water and take all the seed and set up in a cotton cloth or in a paper towel. Then fold it and cover it in a jar. If I see those seeds are not getting germinated by using this paper towel method, then I will plant the existing seed which get not sprouted will be on soil. So in this process you can easily grow Aparajita or blue pea seeds very easily. So let's see the result after 2 days. Within next 2 days, some of our seeds are germinated, but most of the seeds don't able to germinate properly. In this time, I want to plant all of them which get sprouted and which get not in direct soil. So let's see how to plant blue pea seed in soil. For growing blue pea seedling, you can use any type of container or any type of tub. But ensure that your tub must be a good drainage holes. This plant don't like soggy soil. For this reason, you have to ensure a proper drainage system in your pot. So let's fulfill this pot by soil mixture. Blue pea plant can be growable in almost any type of soil. But this plant don't like too much soggy soil. For this reason, try to ensure that your soil is proper drained. For preparing soil, mix up 80% of garden soil and 20% of organic compost. Let's add the compost with this soil. In this video, I am using vermicompost for growing this blue pea plant. After mixing them perfectly, fulfill the container or pot. Then let's plant the seeds in this pot. Plant all the seeds one by one. In this time, you can put all the germinated seed and also all the seeds which are not get germinated. Because blue pea seeds take a long time to get germinate. In this reason, if you are planting all the seedlings or all the seeds, then you will get a good result and you will get almost 80 to 90% germination rate in the method when you plant them directly in the soil. Let's see what is the situation after 4 days. You can see there is 3 plants. On the final footage, you will see all the 5 seeds of my blue pea plant will get germinated. This is the footage after day 7 and you can see there is 5 seedlings. All the seeds are get germinated but it takes time. By following this step, you can easily grow blue pea in your garden. Thanks for watching the full video.